Hi everyone. In this session, we will try to learn that how we can register a new domain with Route-53 service in AWS Cloud. So I have just opened the dashboard of Route-53 service. And as we know that Route-53 is service related with the DNS system. So when we start Route-53 service first time, when the dashboard open, it gives us a different options. Like we can register new domain name, we can transfer existing domain, we can create a different hosted zone for our existing DNS or domain name which are registered, and few other things like health check and traffic flow and few different things. So select the register domain name, click on the get started. It will redirect us to an option where we can search for a particular domain name. So here I'm trying to search a new domain name, fill affiliate.com. So the TLD we can select from the last option. We have to just provide appropriate domain name over here. So I'm just selecting .com and I'm checking the availability. If domain is available, then we will click on the add cart and we can select a particular term for how many years we want to register this domain name. So let's select the 1 year and continue. While purchasing any domain name, Amazon will ask a few details about us regarding privacy and the authenticity of that particular person. Once we provide all required detail, we have to continue. Okay, country is missing. Continue. Fine. So it will ask to confirm all your detail which you have provided. Do you want to automatically renew your domain name? No, I don't want to select this option for automatically renewal. And we have to select the terms and condition at the same time. Complete the order. Once we complete the order, we have to check our email ID on which AWS will send us a required information to confirm our validity. We can go to the domain names and we can see it is domain registration is in progress. So we have to wait for some time. Once we receive an email and we will confirm our validity or authentication, they will resume the process of registering this domain on behalf of our request. Now, once we have the domain name pending request for purchasing this domain name, go to the billing dashboard. Once we open our billing dashboard, go to the orders and invoices. In that, we will see that the order which we have placed for purchasing a new domain name, we have to make a payment for that. So this is this invoice ID. And in that we can see that what domain name we have requested to purchase. And if we open the requested PDF, we can see this is what we have ordered to purchase a new domain name, right? So simply we have to pay for this. And once we pay for it, AWS will move ahead and they will complete the procedure. Once we complete the payment and if we go back to the billing section under bills, we can see that as a registrar, they have charged us $12 for registering this domain name, fillaffiliate.com. And all other taxes will be applicable accordingly your country. So now we have done the payment and we will just refresh over here. So now what they are mentioning that you required some action like domain registration in progress. To finish this process, you need to sign in Management Console and go to the Billing and Cost Management Console. We have verified this process. So they have sent a right. So once we completed the payment, we have to wait for some time. Like they're mentioning, you have to wait for at least 1 hour or some time. So now let's wait for some time and we'll proceed further. So after that process, we'll receive an email from AWS to verify our email ID. So this is an email by which we can confirm that this is the correct email ID which we have used to register this domain name. And now when we open this email link, we will see this message that thank you for validating this email and now no further action is required. So after completing this process, if you go back to our Route 53 service and if you just refresh and let's wait for some time and we will come to know that our registered domain will be listed over here. Also now, when we go back to the dashboard of Route 53 service, we will see that one hosted zone is created. Now, whenever we purchase a new domain name, automatically a hosted zone is created because we are using the service of AWS. Still, domain registration is in progress, but the respective hosted zone is created automatically. So now we can see here that the hosted zone with respective domain name is created. When we click on that hosted zone, we will find all required name server record are created automatically. Now, this name server record will help us for populating our domain name in a much better way across the globe. If we come back to the pending request option here under domains section, we can see that still the domain name registration is in progress because it will take some time to get populate over here. Keep in mind that your Route 53 service is a global service. You can always check from this option that whether this service is global or region-based service. So this is everything about how to register a new domain name. Now, once the domain name registration process will be completed from the AWS end as a registrar, we will get list of our registered domain name under the registered domains section. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos for learning AWS Cloud. Thank you.